Hey guys, welcome back to Sneaky Battle Rains, and today I am going to show you my worst blaster of all time. And I will also be firing it. That is a dumb thing. Yeah. And this is the Nerf Alpha Strike Tiger. Let's see what it is. It's Nerf. And it's just about $18 or something. I forgot, bro. And I'm just going to fire it. I'm going to put two Nerf Elite dots inside it. Let's test the fire test. That makes no sense, but kind of. Yep. Primed. Put it right up here. Yep. Just going to fire it. Yeah. Pretty bad, as you can see. Another. Oh, almost shot it right in the hole, bro. Yeah. I'm just going to go and get my dots and be back in a few short seconds. Okay, I'm back. And, whoa, holy Jesus Christ. I flew over my skateboard, bro. Okay, and then second, I'm going to put two of these extra dots and see how it works. How it wears off you. Yeah, and then that makes no sense. Okay, testing it. This is the worst gun ever made in the whole entire world. Oh, that also almost shot in the hole, bro. Down, reload it, or prime it. Yeah, prime it. Makes more sense. It just fire right in that hole. Oh, I missed because I'm the terrible shotter. And yeah, the man. I'm just going to get my gas. I will be back in the future a while. Maybe a year, bro. Okay, I'm back. And that was 2 years, bro. Yeah. It was pretty bad. Pretty powerful. Not that good. And sometimes, when you just put the first dot in, sometimes, and then you put the second dot in, sometimes the first dot pops out, and when you push it, sometimes the second dot pops out, and this is the first one, the second one. Yeah, it's confusing. And also sometimes when you shoot one, it sometimes shoots two of them. I do not know why that is possible. Yeah, that's all. That's about it. And this one, do not buy the Alpha Strike series. It sucks. It's just garbage. Yeah. It's almost like the Jolt. It's way much worse than the Jolt. You should buy the Jolt. It's very small. You could just put like 1 billion of them in your bag. And you can just use fire one for one, and just eat one. Just poop one out, yeah. And also, this video was inspired by Jaden the Dino. He is so famous. Please subscribe to him. I don't know why, because he's very famous. And also, there's also a guy called Vinny Kid and Squid. Also subscribe to them. I don't know how to spell the names. They're also Jaden's friends, yeah. And also, I'll leave a description box below that you should definitely subscribe to them. They're very cool. And yeah, that's about the end of my video, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye. 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 Bye.